everyone. I hope you're all having a great Sunday. Yes, it is my channel. It's me, Nabaruna, and I am a pathologist working with the Delhi government. I come up with new videos every Sunday and I try to deal with small topics that we are coming in day-to-day life while dealing with the pandemic of COVID-19. Thank you so much for inspiring me, for motivating me for these videos, in which I basically talk about various topics that we have dealt with during the pandemic of COVID-19. आज का टॉपिक बहुत खास है because I talk about something which is very, very special and it is the need of the hour. What is it? This is 10 ways of coping with depression. 10 ways of coping with depression of any kind, stress of any kind that we might come across during the COVID time. So please watch the video, like it, subscribe it, it is all free, and please share some comments down which inspire me and motivate me. So please see the video. Thank you.
इस पैंडेमिक में स्ट्रेस के बहुत सारे कारण हैं। उनमें से सबसे पहला कारण है सोशल डिस्टेंसिंग। वी कैन नॉट मीट पीपल एंड फियर एंड वरी अबाउट योर ओन एंड योर लव्ड वंस। सो दिस इज़ वन ऑफ द मेजर रीज़न फॉर स्ट्रेस। सकारात्मक सोच है तो मानसिक बीमारी दूर है, और जो शारीरिक मानसिक रूप से स्वस्थ हैं वो सुखी ज़रूर हैं। Another very important thing which tells us that there may be stress is change in sleep patterns. There could be an eating pattern change also. Worsening of one's health or a chronic health problem, which has become even more, can be one of the main factors which is denoting a stress level. Mental health condition worsening is also a denotion of स्ट्रेस लेवल। मैं तुझसे और कुछ नहीं मांगता ए खुदा, दो घूंट हंसी दे दे मुसलसल आंसुओं के बदले। Another factor which denotes that there is stress could be an increase in substance abuse like tobacco or alcohol. अगर आप मानसिक तौर पर हार रहे हैं तो आप शारीरिक तौर पर जीत नहीं सकते। How we respond to stress during COVID-19 pandemic can depend on many factors like personal background, social support from family and friends, then our own health and emotional backgrounds, and financial situations, and the community that you live in. People who are more prone to stress. Number one are people with substance abuse. Number two, those who have lost their jobs due to various reasons. Third, people who are more prone to stress could be already with some mental health conditions. People who are more prone to stress could also be people having some disabilities. Again, people who are socially isolated. Now this category is very large because COVID-19 one needs to stay alone. Even Amitabh Bachchan, who has been quarantined, complains of the same thing. He is isolated and hardly sees people, and that can be a very big stressful event. People who are in the frontline health workers. Now let me tell you that we are ones who are having a big stressful event in our life because we are scared that we might bring the infection home with us, and that itself is a very, very stressful condition for every health worker that I know of and that I myself am. High risk people having underlying medical conditions. It could be diabetes, it could be hypertension, or it could be anything. They are also prone to a very stressful condition. Mental illness is nothing to be ashamed of. Stigma and bias shame us all. Now we talk about the main tips, that is, healthy ways to cope with stress. What to do if we are sick, where and how to get treatment. Now, in this regard, what first thing that I would say is we should not panic. We should go to a physician, do the testing, follow instructions and protocol. आजकल प्रॉपर प्रोटोकॉल्स आ गए हैं. हमें सिर्फ जाना है अपने स्वास्थ्य कर्मियों के पास, हमारे हेल्थ वर्कर के पास. अगर कोई प्रॉब्लम है तो उसको फेस करना है. वी शुड गो टू द नियरेस्ट हॉस्पिटल और डिस्पेंसरी, नियरेस्ट फिजिशियन और अ हेल्थ वर्कर हु कैन रियली हेल्प अस. We should take care that we take breaks from watching, reading, listening to news channels, stories, including that on social media, because this could take a big toll on our emotional health. We must take time to unwind, to do activities that we really enjoy, do gardening, listening to music, work on any art form. Another very important tip is to connect with people we trust. We must connect with the community through social media, phone, Zoom meeting, and spread as much positivity as possible. There is no need at all to social boycott COVID-19 household. Rather, we must give them a helping hand. That is, we might help buying vegetables, medicines, or help them in any form. We must get immediate help in crisis. That is, like disaster helplines or national suicide prevention helplines should be sought. Another very important tip is to recognize mental health problems in our loved and dear ones. We must not stay away from taking any professional help. Sometimes some people experience sadness, anger, frustration because friends and loved ones have fears of getting the disease from the infected person, even though he has been cleared. So, awareness regarding the disease or the infection is still very important for all of us to win over COVID-19. Knowledge is always powerful. Remember that good mental status in difficult times may win you the battle more easily.
I want to end the video with a very positive note. Although the topic is of depression, of stress, लेकिन एक चीज़ है जो हमें हमेशा इससे दूर रखेगी एंड हमारी मेंटल हेल्थ को स्ट्रॉन्ग रखेगी. क्या आप बता सकते हैं वो क्या है? जी, वो हंसी है. किसी भी प्रकार की हंसी हम सबको खुश रख सकती है. छोटी सी भी हंसी, मुस्कान हमें हेल्प कर सकती है. सो टुगेदर वी मस्ट एंड वी कैन विन ओवर कोविड-19. हंसते रहिए दोस्तों, खुश रहिए. नमस्कार.